How to fix Facebook pop sound. Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Facebook pop sound. Okay, if it is not working, or if you want to stop that sound, or if you have any kind of problem regarding that sound, then watch this video. Okay, you need to do some sound setting to fix this problem. Okay, so just stay tuned with the video, and guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So let's begin the tutorial. Guys, what you have to do is, if you want to fix this issue, okay, make sure to update your messenger. Okay, make sure to update your messenger. So after updating messenger, you have to go back and search for Facebook, and you need to update the Facebook as well. Okay, you need to update both the application. And now what you have to do is go to your profile, okay, and scroll down and then find out notification and sound setting. Okay, so after going to this setting, what you have to do is you have to select the sound from here. Okay, you have to select the sound from here. So just do some settings. Okay, so what you have to do is turn off your sound setting. Okay, turn off your sound setting and turn it on, and after that you have to enable this sound. Okay, if you want to hear a sound setting, you just have to enable all the sounds, and you have the customized notifications as well. So if you go there, then you will get advanced option, and here you will find the sound option. Okay, so from here you can change the sound, and if you don't want any kind of sound in your messenger, then just go to customize notifications, and then you just have to turn off this button. Okay, so after turning off the button, your sound will be turned off. And if you want to turn off the app sound, then click on a in-app sound setting and turn off the setting. Okay, so from here you can manage your notification settings. So if you have any kind of problem regarding your pop sound, and you need to manage the sound setting in your messenger. Okay, so this is how you can solve the problem. This is how you can fix Facebook pop sound problem. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.